This is male 1 in from the cheetah litter, cheetah and Luca litter. And again, look at this horizontal flow. This is just amazing. This is like the perfect combination, I tell you. We have this very strong horizontal flow, very clear, distinct spots, all of them very rosetted. Beautiful head shape on this kitten. Look how low these ears are, very pretty. Really good combination the two of them made. I love the neck markings on the back of the neck, beautiful, as well as just the overall, this very golden toned, all of these tones on this kitten, just beautiful. So we'll watch him mature. He is male 1 in the litter by Cheetah and Luca. This is the first litter that we've gotten from Luca, and I put him with Cheetah because she is such a reliable mother and she produces very nice spotted patterns. And you can see all 4 of these kittens. We have beautiful rosetting and just really, really pretty kittens. We also have them very upset, so I've been upsetting them, moving them around. So this is male 1. There's 2 males and 2 females.